Yeah, he's loving being in Jamaica, y'all. So my husband is buying us a coconut. Good morning, everyone. This is our last day at the resort. Going to pick up our baby tomorrow. And then going back to Canada. It's a beautiful day again. I'm going to try to spend some time on the beach and at the pool today. Get our suitcases packed up. I'm just going to go eat some breakfast.
Sunny, hot.
Oh yeah. Get some coffee. Repping my Jamaica dress today. Yeah, he's loving being in Jamaica, y'all. Yeah. So beautiful, I don't want to leave. Today's our last day. We're gonna get our clean towel.
Bradley, you want to see rain? Wife, you don't want to see rain. Wife, you come to be sun, alright? Come for the sun, alright? Yeah, that. I saw you right now.
warm. I'm gonna go take off my dress and go for a swim and get a tan. My husband is buying us a coconut. Yeah, man. Thank you.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Thank you. Cheers, baby.
Okay.
Here. Let's get a picture. Hold on. Take a drink, babe. Take a drink. Cheers. Cheers. Can't come to Jamaica without having a coconut. Mm.
That's babe. You know she's gonna get her suntan. Seems like it's gonna rain. So beautiful day. Be out on the sea. Around 2 o'clock now, baby. As we came in, and this is our room. Was nicely set and organized. And our last day, she did our big one today. Isn't this sweet? Love it. Last a little bit. Dinner tonight, breakfast in the morning, and then we're off. Get Roger from his mom. Then we're really off. Yep.
Final night at the Riu. This is what we got on for our final night.
Final night.
Babe looking fine like always. Fine wine. We're going to a fancy restaurant. We've never been here. So even last year when we came, we did not come here. So to this specific restaurant. So I'm excited to see. It looks really pretty from the outside. So this is where we're going. This resort, but we've never came here.
Yeah, welcome.
We're excited.
No, they have to give glass of wine.
Yes, I'll have some white wine, please.
White wine? Right, see?
White, yeah, white. I had ready yesterday.
Go with the white today, yeah.
What you having there? Cream of pumpkin too?
I'm gonna get the salad.
Oh, get yeah, the cream of pumpkin soup, then the fillet, coconut fillet, fish fillet, yeah. And then I'll have the brownie with my own.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good luck.
Yes. This is to our last night here. We had a great vacation.
Cheers to a state flight.
Yes. Is it good? I gotta try it. Oh wow. That's skills right there. Ooh, that looks lovely. Thank you. Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Back home, working, non-stop working. Content is coming, believe me.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?